Want to grab your visitors' attention with sleek cinematic animations? Today, we are going to show you how to reveal content on scroll using the ElementsKit Scroll Reveal module. Before we start, make sure you have the free version of Elementor and ElementsKit Pro installed and activated on your website. Let's dive in. Open your page in Elementor and select any element like text, an image, or a whole section. Go to the Advanced tab, find the ElementsKit Scroll Reveal module and toggle it on to unlock the magic. First, choose your animation direction to guide the user's focus. Next, tweak your transition delay and animation speed. Want to add a stylized mask? Turn on Enable Image Overlay to set an overlay color, or leave it off to use a solid primary reveal color. Finally, decide if this animation happens every time your user scrolls past or just the very first time. Time to see it in action. Hit Publish, then scroll up and down your live page to ensure your animations, delays, and colors look exactly as you intended. It's that easy to add professional scroll effects to your site. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Elementor tips, and we will see you in the next video.